Okay, so let's look at the ellipsis. So it's 3 dots, 3 full stops, one after the other. Very nice. So words are missing or left out on purpose. Missing, maybe for dramatic reasons, for dramatic purpose, as a pause. As a pause. I saw the book. It was something. We can use it at the end of the sentence as a way of trailing off the sentence, as a way of letting it end somber, letting it end quietly. So it was here, ... and ... I saw it over there. So we can have it at the end and then at the start. I saw the book ... It was ... end ... empty. I have the book ... It is here. It was ... empty. Empty. For pause, dramatic effect, missing words. Okay, but we can use it to shorten quotes when certain words aren't needed. So when you want to quote someone, quote a reference, they said you need to do this, that, and then this before the 17th of July. Okay. They said you need to do this before the 17th of July. There comes a time when you need to study hard. There comes a time when you need to study hard. There comes a time ... to study hard. There comes a time ... to study hard. We are leaving these words out when we are composing, creating a quote. There comes a time to study hard. You don't need these words in the quote. So when we quote it, we can omit it by using an ellipsis. ... There comes a time ... to study hard. Nice. Very straightforward. Yeah. Very good. Yeah, so ellipses. Missing out words, omitting them from the sentence for dramatic effect, like a pause. I saw the book. It was here. It was empty. Or omitting, not including, omit, not include, certain words from a quote. There comes a time to study hard. There comes a time when you need to study hard. Very good. Ellipses. How cool is that? Let's keep going.